So the Stave Snare is now finally finished after months and months of work. It's the first video I ever did on YouTube back in 2012-13. So I'll put all these into a playlist and you can watch them all one after the other. And that should get you some sleep. I'm about to start reassembling my Stave snare drum. The black finish is now done. The machine on the inside is done. Really happy with the shell. Hardware wise, the lugs. I wanted to modify these because at the minute the screw just went straight into the lug, so there was nothing to sort of locate it into the shell. On a standard lug like this Tama one, there's a post on it. So I machined up a riv nut and put a grub screw into it. So it's an M5 grub screw into a riv nut which is welded in there. And that converts the male thread from 5mm to a female 4mm thread. And basically these will screw into the lug and create a post like these. So they've now got the two posts on them. I've Loctited them into there. And now with the shell, if you push the lug into there, it locates itself. I think that's a really, really good upgrade. I'll Loctite the last one in. These ones are all ready. I've got everything assembled here. And also, I've got a trick throw off on this and butt plate. Same thing, these haven't got posts in, but my little adapters will work in these too. So I'll put the post into these and put them on the shell as well. Got my screws here and some washers. And they've got some engraved washers on them, which will look really good. So we'll start putting the shell together. Just want a close-up view on these lugs and how cool they are. So they're a laser cut, 15mm stainless steel, which I've had powder coated. And there's a brass insert in there which acts as the lock nut for the tension rod. I love the shape. Obviously heavily influenced from the Tama shark tooth lugs. I wanted them sharp and crisp and looking evil, and I think I achieved that. Lugs are on. Here's the inside of the shell. Look how cool them washers are. It's still so heavy. So the drum's now put back together and been refinished. Really chuffed with how the external lacquer's turned out. It's absolutely flawless. Let's put some sticks on it and see what you think.